All right, welcome back to There Is No America Without Erica. And we all need a little Erica. You know what's wild? California just tried to reach all the way across the country into Florida and tell people what they're allowed to post on the internet. Yeah, not regulate guns inside California, not enforce their own laws at home, but no, they want to control what someone in Florida can say, publish, and even look at. And now that's exactly what this lawsuit is about. And before we get into it, quick shout out to Only Tactical Fans store. If you guys haven't checked it out, we've got MREs, tourniquets, and gear that actually makes sense to have on hand. The tourniquets especially, cheap peace of mind and something you hope you never need, but if you do, it matters. Appreciate all of you that have been supporting the store. It generally keeps everything moving. And all right, let's talk about what just happened. So this case was filed in Florida. My husband's lawyer going directly after California officials like attorneys General Rob Bonta and San Francisco City Attorney. And the argument is actually pretty simple once you strip away all the legal language. California is trying to punish people in Florida for speech that happens entirely in Florida. That's it. That's the whole fight. Now, what kind of speech are we talking about? We're talking about 3D models, files, written guides, photos, commentary, even jokes and satire. Stuff that gets posted online. Stuff that until about 5 minutes ago everyone understood was protected by the First Amendment. But California passed these new laws, these civil code sections, and they're so broad that they don't just go after illegal activity. They go after anything that could be considered promoting or facilitating, which is where things get real dangerous because now you're not regulating actions anymore, you're regulating ideas, and here's where it gets even more ridiculous. The guy at the center of this, he creates these 3D models, and California is trying to pretend that these are basically just a push button and a gun pops out files. That's not how this works. These are design files. They're closer to digital sculptures than anything else. You still need to separate software, you still need hardware, and you still need a human being making a bunch of decisions before anything physical even exists. But California doesn't care about that nuisance. Because if they admit that these are expressive works, then this becomes a First Amendment problem, a big one. And that's exactly what this lawsuit is saying. You don't get to call something dangerous and suddenly erase free speech protections. You don't get to say, we don't like this topic, and then silence it nationwide. And you definitely don't get to reach into another state and start threatening people with massive fines because you don't like what they posted on the internet. Because that's the other part of this. California isn't just asking nicely. They're going after people with penalties like $25,000 per violation. You're talking about financial annihilation, which is the point. They don't need to win the argument. They just need to make it too expensive to fight. And guess what happens next? People stop posting. People stop sharing. People stop even looking at the content because now they're worried they're going to get dragged into something that's called a chilling effect. And it's exactly what the First Amendment is supposed to prevent. Now here's where this case hits even harder because it's not just about speech, it's about the Second Amendment. You've got people in Florida who are trying to repair, maintain, or improve firearms they already legally own, and then they can't even access update designs or parts because California is trying to shut down the flow of information. Now think about how insane that is. A state you don't live in, trying to control what you can learn, what you can download, and what you can do in your own state. That's not just overreach, that's a complete breakdown of how federalism is supposed to work. States have power inside their borders. They do not get to export that power nationwide, and this lawsuit draws a very hard line on that. It says, look, California, you can regulate what happens in California and like all you want, but you don't get to step into Florida and start dictating speech, activity, or rights. And honestly, this might end up being one of the most important fights we've seen in a long time because if California wins this, what's the limit? What stops any state from saying we don't like this content, so we're going to go after anyone, anywhere who posts it? That's not just a gun issue at that point. That's an internet issue. That's a free speech issue for everyone. And if they lose, that sets a precedent the other direction. That says states can weaponize their laws to control people outside their borders, that the Constitution still means something even when it's inconvenient. And yeah, I know exactly what some people are going to say. Well, if it's about guns, it's different. No, it's not, because the moment you allow the government to decide which speech is acceptable based on the topic, you don't have free speech anymore. You have permission, and permission can be taken away. That's the real fight here. Not just guns, not just files, but whether the government gets to redraw the boundaries of the Constitution whenever they feel like it. And right now, that fight is happening in Florida courtroom between California officials and my husband's lawyer saying, no, you don't get to do that. And I'll be watching this one very closely. All right, now before we wrap this up, quick reminder, if you guys are going to be shopping on Amazon, don't forget to hit the link down below. And even when you click on that link and it goes to our store, you don't have to buy what's in our store just because you came off there from our channel. We get a little kickback, so we do greatly appreciate that. And if you haven't checked out onlytechnicalfantasy.myshopify.com, we've got MREs, medical gear, stuff you should probably have anyways. Go take a look. We've been putting a lot of effort into bringing things that actually make sense, not just random junk, more like survival type things. All right, I appreciate you guys, and if you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.